Covaxin or Covishield. Covaxin is manufactured by the Bharat Biotech and is an inactivated vaccine. It is prepared on tested platform of dead viruses developed with whole viron inactivated. They cannot infect a person but will help the immune system to create a defense mechanism against the active virus. Covishield is manufactured by the Serum Institute of India and is prepared by the viral vector platform. A chimpanzee adenovirus has been modified to enable it carry the COVID-19 spike protein into the cells of humans. This cold virus cannot infect a person but will help the immune system to create a defense mechanism against the active virus. Now, let us discuss about a study that was published in MedRev on 2nd June. A total number of 515 samples participated in the study. Out of that, 425 Covishield and 90 Covaxin vaccinated health workers participated in the study. This study proves that about 95% of the health workers showed zero positivity after both the doses of the vaccine and also had higher antibody titer values. The study also compared the post-vaccine responses on all the participants. It was found that there was 100% zero positivity and higher antibody titer values in all the post-COVID recovered patients who got COVID positive at least 6 weeks before the first dose of vaccination. With a history of COVID-19 positive patient, the zero positivity of Covishield was 97.8%, whereas in Covaxin it was 79.3%. The zero positivity was significantly higher in the age group less than 60 years and when compared to the patients who were above 60 years. The zero positivity was significantly higher in individuals without comorbidities when compared to patients who had a history of comorbidity as type 2 diabetes. The study also proves that women had 9% higher antibody titer values when compared to men. Among the 515 samples, only 29, that is 4.9%, had secondary infections, where the infection was mild in 25 cases, 2 had moderate infection, and none presented with severe secondary infections or complication nor death due to secondary infections. It was also found that the risk of secondary infection was higher in 5.5% of individuals vaccinated with Covishield when compared to 2.2% of individuals vaccinated with Covaxin. A total of 30 out of 515 samples report COVID positive after taking the first dose of either of the vaccines. The significance of the study shows that both the vaccines provide excellent protection against COVID-19. Both the vaccines are adequately working, and now the need is importance of vaccination to be speeded up for the prevention of third wave of infection. The records prove that till now only 4% are vaccinated with both the doses and 15% are vaccinated with at least one dose. So now let us create awareness to speed up the process of vaccination among our friends, relatives and neighbors. Hope this was a useful video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.